Hey guys, it's Tiffany, and in this video I'm going to give you an in-depth look at my bed. I really believe that this bed is what got me through lashing while pregnant in a comfortable way, because we all know that lashing can be really hard on our backs, our necks, our eyes, everything. It's very labor intensive, even though it doesn't look like it. So for those of you who are interested in becoming lash artists, just know that yoga, stretching, and just remaining active is something that you're definitely going to have to do in order to achieve some balance, because as a busy lash artist, you will start to feel the effects on your body if you don't take care of it and, constantly make sure that you're nurturing yourself in that way and exercising and everything like that. But when you're pregnant, of course, your belly gets big and your back is going to hurt anyway, whether you're lashing or not. So you want to do everything you can to lash comfortably. So let me just show you a few features of my bed. I will put the link for this exact bed in the description below. It was, I randomly found this. I was actually on a Facebook group where people were talking about beds, and I seen a picture of someone's bed, and I actually had to do a Google search using the picture and just trying to describe it in my own words before I came across this website. So it wasn't an easy thing to find, but it has been one of the best pieces of equipment I have ever bought since I've been in business. And I've been doing lashes for 7 years. I did start off on a massage table, which I think is fine actually. There's a lot, that's probably the most affordable option, as long as you find one where your knees and your thighs and your legs can fit under the actual bed. I think that a massage table is fine. What I love about this bed, and what I'll show you in a few minutes, is that its ability to move up and down without you having to manually adjust the legs. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so here's a closer look at my bed. As you can see, it's really large. It can accommodate pretty much anyone. Here is a close-up of the bar that can hold the exam paper. Here's my pillow wedge. Takes the pressure off your lower back. My clients love this. I used to have one that was white, but it would get it got dirty really easily, and you'd have to take off the lining and wash it. I tend to like things that you can wipe down, because when I'm busy, I don't have to worry about changing something or washing it if I don't have time. So this you can definitely wipe down with Clorox wipes or a Citrus 2 solution. This is the headrest. It does come out, I would assume. I just cleaned it, which is why some a little bit of water, but I would say that this is, I guess, if someone does massage and they do lashes, or maybe if, do something like that. But for the most part, I keep this in. And then what I really like, I got my stool from Amazon. So it's Amazon Everyday Basic Stool. As you can see, it rises up pretty high. And this is what will save your back when you're lashing. Okay, especially for my ladies that are lashing while pregnant. This is a lifesaver. So I know the bed is on the pricey side, but if you're lashing full-time, for sure, I think it's a worthwhile investment. If you're lashing part-time, I would start off with a massage bed if that's more affordable for you, and then slowly work your way up to something like this. Hope this helps, guys. Thanks.